Hi everyone, I am Hao Xin. It is my honor to show you how to carry out the same different test to determine whether there is an overall difference exists between two samples, which are Rinho soy milk and yours soy milk. Now let us start the experiment. Step number 1. Two different brand soy milk are prepared and labeled as A and B. The soy milk from brand Rinho is labeled as sample A and the soy milk from brand yours is labeled as sample B. Next, a master sheet with number of panel, date of conduct the analysis, type of sample, and name of the test, permutation number, and 3-digit number for each sample was prepared. In the master sheet, the date of conduct the analysis, name of the test, type of the sample is first filled in, and followed by the number of the panel. For the permutation, since there were only 4 possible numbers for the sample presentation in this analysis, which are AB, AA, BB, BA, the 4 pair arrangement were prepared in an equal number and presented in a random to the panelists. Next, each of the samples will be called with different 3-digit number by referring to the table of random digit. For example, the sample A for the panelist 1 was labeled with 352 and sample B was labeled as 493. Since the permutation was AB, hence sample A will be served firstly to the panelist and followed by sample B. The same procedure was carried out for the rest of the sample and panelists. Step number 3. The 3-digit number of the sample was then labeled on the glass for the respective sample, and the sample was then poured into the respective glass with the help of measuring tool to ensure equal amount for each sample. The measuring tool should be properly cleaned before pouring for the second sample to prevent mixing between two samples. The best way to prevent mixings was using different measuring tool for each sample. Step number 4. A score sheet with short instruction to the panelists was prepared. The information of the score sheet, such as the 3-digit number of the sample and the arrangement of the sample, must similar as the master sheet. Next, the sample were arranged based on the permutation number and make sure everything was ready. Then the sample was served to the panelists with the respective score sheet. The panelist has to test the sample follow the instruction on the score sheet. After the evaluation, the score sheet was then kept properly for the data analysis. Finally, the sample were removed and all the apparatus were properly cleaned. That's all for the same different test. Thank you for your watching and may you have a nice day.